All right, step number 3. Basically, step 3 is already done for you. Your site is up and running. Let me just show you real quick what it looks like right here. I'm going to get rid of this and show you how to get to the admin side of it. But there's the site. You're up and running. All we need to do now is either load a new theme or configure this. So let me just show you how you log in. WP admin. Okay. Now it's going to come up to this screen. Remember that your password and user ID that we set up. Remember I told you to save that in a text window. So grab that password and log in to right here. All right, now we're into the backend administration panel here. That was just my autosave that I have set up. And you got your WordPress all set up. Now all we have to do is configure it to any theme that you want. Now, I want to give you a little tip here. I have some professional themes. Since you guys are with my hosting, this is the bonus part of the website. We have all kinds of professional themes that we can load on for you and get you set up. All you have to do is contact me and I'll get you set up with these professional themes and professional plugins. Now the other plugin that I use is Elementor. We will also set that up for you, Elementor, so that you can actually have a powerful page builder so that you can build opt-ins and squeeze pages and everything that you need to get your site up and running. Make sure you contact me and I'll help you get everything all set up for that. All right, guys, that's piece of cake. I'm not going to go through all this because that would take a lot of time to go through everything that WordPress can do. And that's as simple as 1, 2, 3 of getting your site up and running. All right, guys, have a great day, and I look forward to working with you. All right, bye-bye, guys.